Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So you can see that sloppy, horrible double went through the target, paused at the first target for quite some time, 11,000, what was that, 11,612 area, and then broke through it. I have a potential double top now, just keeping an eye on this. Just because it could get the bigger pullback. Hold on 1 second. There we go. There we go. I mean, that would just be a pullback, 11,503 to 11,454. So nothing better. Just going to keep watching because that would then give you another level 2 target that's lower. So we'll keep an eye on that. Otherwise, we have this nice resistance shelf about 11,800. If we do get a close above that, my next target, you can always do the GAN levels. I'm just going to use some price levels in here. It's about 11,935 and then 12,000, just over 12,000, about 12,000 to 12,030. That's it based off the 4 hour. Let's check in. So you see returning in the rotation zone, rotating back up, pausing. It is the end of the week, and you can see here this really nice resistance shelf. I'm going to bump this up to right here based off the current price action. So we got a key close there, a runaway move there, drifting sideways, key close there. Actually coming back, let me zoom into the 8. So the 8 providing some nice support so far today. So there's plenty of support all the way down to 11,200. That's critical support right now. On a stronger rally next week, 12,134, 12,332, and 12,550 are the next targets higher. Rotation zone still pointing up, so we're going to be watching especially Sunday afternoon our time, so in a couple afternoons from now, to see what kind of price action we're getting to help us gauge if we're potentially going to break higher. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Ethereum because that's actually been moving up really nicely. 4 hour chart. So you see here that double coming up here, pausing at the stop reduction target, then coming up straight to the full target, pausing there very nicely. Look at that pause at that target from the doubles, and then breaking on through. So that's why we use this kind of stuff. And then we had our next projection. So coming in right around 438.50 area, running up there, actually sort of nailing the high before a brief pause, and then going through it, now pulling back below it, but those targets are hit. The next major target area higher is 455 to 461, and then above that 496. Let's look at our support though, because it looks like it's going to pull back and it's starting to get a little overdone based off the 4 hours. So key support coming in about 425.50. If we did drop below that, I'd start watching for this prior resistance. Hold on, that's a prior swing high. Let me just update this. There we go. So yeah, I'd be watching about 410.50 to 415, but I'd really focus as this moving average, the rotation zone rises up, comes in contact with this major swing high that it took so long to break from, because a lot of people will be targeting that if it were to pull back that far. Daily chart, can see overextended clearly from the rotation zone, but it did a long drift sideways into the rotation zone, then rotating back up, and not really even that overbought yet, so still has plenty of room to run. Major support on the daily is 400. If we did drop below that for some strange reason, next level of support I'd be watching is right about 375. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone later. Have a great weekend. Bye for now.